All right, this next guy says solve the triangle. So let's just sketch up a quick triangle here. It says, let's go ahead and label these. I'll say A, big B, big C. So big C is 65 degrees. I've got measure of angle A is 40 degrees. And I've got little b, now remember capitals and lower cases are across from each other, is 7. Now I have more angles than sides, which means this is probably a pretty good candidate for law of sines. First things first, I know that the interior angles of a triangle must always equal 180. So 180 minus the 65 degrees up there minus the 40 degrees gives that this guy is going to be 75 degrees. All right, so now remember the law of sines says sine A over little a equals sine B over little b equals sine C over little c. And we're just going to use this pairwise. The one that we have the complete set for is big B and little b. So I know that sine 75 over 7, let's do a first, equals sine of 40 over a. Now you're going to cross multiply and then divide to get this. So in other words, little a is 7 sine 40 over sine of 75, which is approximately, make sure your calculator's in degrees by the way, 4.7. I'm rounding to the tens place, so here's 4.7. Now from here you could use the law of cosines. I'm going to continue on with this law of sines deal. So I know that sine 75 over 7 is going to be equal to sine of big C over little c. So sine 65 over little c. Cross multiply, divide. So little c is sine, 7 sine 65 divided by sine of 75, which is about 6.6. So here are the three values that we found.